So before start the chapter, I want to show you something and want to ask you something. What is this?
Train.
Train.
Metro train.
Train. Very good.
Train,
What is
Metro.
this?
Metro.
What is this?
bullock
बैलगाड़ी.
cart,
Block card.
बैलगाड़ी.
One card. Right.
बैलगाड़ी.
Can you tell me that what are they and where you found these things? कहाँ पे ये आपको देखने के लिए मिलते हैं?
This is metro train in city.
Hmm.
ma'am, bullock carts are seen in villages.
In village.
Yes, ma'am. In village.
This is not found in the villages, right? And this one is found in the villages. Okay. Now, can you please tell me that have you ever seen any of the train in the villages?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why you don't see a single train or the other developments in the village? आपने कभी ऐसा क्यों
Ma'am,
नहीं देखा?
because the technology over villages is not too much advanced.
Yes, technology in the villages are not advanced, or the technology found by the scientists are not bring to the villages. वो villages तक जाते ही नहीं है. It will be stopped to the cities only. Okay, now I want to ask you some other question. That have you ever seen the villages? आपने कभी
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
village
Yes,
देखा है?
ma'am.
तो
Yes,
found
ma'am.
one of the
Yes, ma'am.
villages. Can anyone share their experience कि उन्होंने क्या क्या देखा, किस तरह से देखा?
खेती farms.
Ma'am, we see
Ma'am, we
farms.
Farms.
Yes, नहीं, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
मैम मैंने कहा कि फार्म्स देखे.
फार्म्स देखे, फिर क्या देखा आपने? मेट्रो ट्रेन्स देखी मैम, है ना? No. And what you
Ma'am?
seen other things? Just tell me everything.
Cows.
Ma'am?
Cow,
हाँ बोलो
buffalo.
जियान.
buffalo,
Ma'am, cow, buffalo.
Cows, buffalo.
Ma'am, we went in Darisana. Ma'am, it is also village, Darisana.
Darisna. Okay, what do you seen in that Darisna?
Ma'am, ma'am, in that wash basin, that all were not there. Ma'am, if we have to do brush, that we were doing on like a ground directly.
Directly. Okay. Right thing. Very good.
And
Can
ma'am,
you? Huh? Yes.
and
please.
ma'am, everyone in society all were eating at the same house. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then can
They
you?
were very close to each other.
Can you tell me? It's not in the city are not closest like a village. You want to tell
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What is the other difference between the village and the city, or क्या different? What is the different lifestyle between the village and the city?
ma'am, food,
Food. Only food. Okay, just tell me your foods.
agriculture,
Huh?
Ma'am, in village
Ma'am,
there is
pollution.
Agriculture.
Ma'am, difference in pollution.
First different. There is too much
Ma'am,
pollution in
your
the
voice is
cities.
not
ma'am,
coming.
greenery,
Rest of the students who are not speaking, request to them, please mute yourself. Or whenever one student is speak, then other student have to be mute themselves. That's why I can hear the one person clearly, and rest of the students are listen to me clearly. बाकी के सभी को भी मेरी आवाज आनी चाहिए. Yes, Malhar, tell me your 4 differences.
agriculture,
Agriculture. Okay.
greenery,
Greenery, it's like agriculture. Next. You tell me that 4 differences, ma'am. So I want to know which are the 4s from your side.
food,
Hmm?
food,
Food. Very good. Most important thing. Then pollution also. There is a lot of pollution in the cities. Why the pollutions are occurred in the cities, not in the villages?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in villages there is no car and bikes, and in city there is car and bikes.
Ma'am, there are
That's why.
not factories in villages.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, their language is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
different.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Nice
and
one.
their habits.
Means
Ma'am, and their
yes,
habits.
they are habitual. They are wake up on the early morning. They don't have a
Yes,
alarms that to
ma'am.
wake up. First of thing, हम सबसे पहले मैं खुद भी I am using the alarm to wake up in the early morning. They don't have any of the alarms. They wake up by themselves. They hear the voice of the book and they wake up. The food is the different. The traveling area is the different. Everything is different from the city. You agree with that? Villages are total different from the city. Can anyone tell me which one is the best drive from both of these
Villages.
villages? Why?
Ma'am,
Villages.
Why?
Ma'am, because like their habits, they are stronger, and they have good relations with all, like their societies,
Yes,
and
right.
it is less polluted and it's beautiful.
Yeah, most important thing is don't have any of the pollution. You know that the अभी कोरोना चल रहा है लेकिन villages में इतना effect नहीं है. Nowadays there is a more effect in the cities and the other countries, but in the villages there are not less effect to the villages. Less to
क्योंकि
less,
वहाँ
बहुत ही
people
कम.
है.
बहुत ही कम विलेजेस में है जहाँ पे कोरोना की इफेक्ट मिलती है एंड आई वॉच द वन और टू विलेजेस एंड एट दैट पॉइंट देयर इज नो मास्क बिकॉज देयर इज नो कोरोना एट दैट एरिया उनके एरिया में कोरोना है ही नहीं तो वो मास्क या फिर सैनिटाइजर का यूज नहीं करते हैं right? So you know that villages are the most important life that you can see. Can anyone tell me what are their usual? जैसे कि हमारी country जो है, if there is a state we have, so for that to development of that, what we are doing? अगर हमें हमारे स्टेट को डेवलप करना है तो क्या करते हैं? What is the government do? गवर्नमेंट क्या करता है अगर हमें डेवलप करना हो आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट अवर द स्टेट के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ तो अगर आपको स्टेट को डेवलप करना है जो आपको पता है कि गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है एनीवन
मैम स्कूल बनाती है.
हाँ क्या
स्कूल
बना
बनाती है.
रूल्स
स्कूल.
ओके मीन्स गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स
मैम फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करती है.
it's obviously give the facilities to us जैसे आप hospitals बोल रहे हैं food बोल रहे हैं that are all the things it give the facilities to us but who decide that facility for the particular state के लिए एक तो पीएम नहीं बैठेगा कि चलो मैं इसके लिए ये करूंगा जैसे कंट्री के लिए पीएम होता है वैसे स्टेट के लिए भी होगा ना CM होता है
चीफ मिनिस्टर.
राइट जैसे कंट्री के लिए पीएम
मैम गांव के लिए सरपंच होता है.
प्लीज वेट अगर आपको स्टेट को करना हो डिस्ट्रिक्ट को करना हो दैट फॉर द सीएम्स एंड अदर पीपल्स आर काउंटेड जैसे कि अभी हमारा भाजपा चल रहा है तो हमारे स्टेट के लिए सीएम है बट एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल द सीएम इज नॉट दैट सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए पूरे स्टेट की डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के लिए सीएम वहाँ पे नहीं आएगा कि चलो ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मुझे ये करना है इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ट्रेन्स नहीं है रोड्स अच्छे नहीं है at all the points the PM and the CMs are not key for the district point there is a people are counted for the भाजपा अभी भाजपा चल रहा है तो उसका एक पर्सन वहाँ पे रखा होगा कि you have to be take care of this district आपको ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट को देखना है one by step हम आए PM then CM then district level now turn for the villages भी आपने देखे किस तरह से विलेज है उसकी कभी कभार some of the times the conditions are not good with so many years of the foreign rule the villages in India were in the bad shape like this इस तरह से बहुत बुरी condition पे था nowadays villages are developed because village have its owner like a panchayat जैसे इस तरह से पीएम होता है, सीएम होता है, वैसे ही विलेजेस के लिए होता है पंचायती राज. That will be rule over the villages, that will be take care of the villages, and they will be think about the development of the villages. So before that, let's revise some of the things. Mahatma Gandhi, whenever there is a rule of the foreigners, Mahatma Gandhi think about that our future villages will be like that. They have electricity, gas line, their farmings. You can see everything here. यहाँ पे आपको you can see the solar system over here. Electricity is here. Then cooking area is here. Everything will be available in the
Ma'am,
villages
your
in
voice
the
is
future.
not coming
voice
clear.
is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming
It's
clear.
not clear.
ओके आई वांट टू टेल यू देन मेरे घर के पास में थोड़ा काम चल रहा है, घर बन रहा है, इसकी वजह से बाहर से थोड़ी आवाज़ आ रही है, तो मेरी वॉल्यूम थोड़ी कट होके आएगी. तो मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माई, अगर लिपसिंग से हो रहा है दैट इज़ ओके, इफ़ नॉट प्लीज़ बी काम, ध्यान से सुनने की ट्राई करो. नहीं हो रहा, आई विल बी शेयर द वीडियो ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दैट. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड कोऑपरेट विथ मी.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, when India became independent, it was important to develop the villages. That's why the government set up teams to look after the development of the villages. जैसे कि कंट्री के लिए हमने पीएम को वेरीफाई किया, उसको खड़ा किया. यू हैव टू बी लुक ओवर द कंट्री, आपको कंट्री को देखना है, उसमें जो डेवलपमेंट की जरूरत है वो आप करोगे. लाइक दैट India developed, India set up of one team that will be look for the villages. The teams and the system together are called the Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj means an assembly of 5 people that will be chosen by the government. Government के through choose किए होंगे, 5 people are chosen, and that will be take care of all the villages. Its villages, वही village का वो ध्यान रखेंगे कि उसके development के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. If they want to develop the solar system, they will be discussed. They will be directly contact with the government, and they can allow to install the solar system in their villages.
Okay.
What happened now? So before that, I want to show one video to you. मैं आपको एक video दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Maybe that will be available on your between us portal पे, maybe वो आपके available होगा. Please listen it carefully. I will be sharing the WhatsApp group also.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, the voice of the video is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम और
आवाज
वीडियो भी
नहीं आ
अटक
रही.
रही है सबको.
मैम मुझे भी नहीं आ रही.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now,
मुझे भी नहीं आ रही.
मैम
मैम और
now
थोड़ी
can you hear?
नो
No,
मैम.
ma'am.
नो मैम.
पक रही है.
No.
Be calm. March 5 will be the Panchayati Raj Divas, and in the Odisha and the Bihar, that in the 2005, there will be a seat available, 33% seats available for the female that will be declared by the Bihar and the Odisha. Okay, so I will do one thing, that I will be share this video to you. मैं ये video भेजूंगी आपको. Now, next is the
Okay.
Ma'am,
yes.
this video is available in Between Us.
Already available. Okay, so you can be directly watch from the Between Us. आप directly Between Us से देख सकते हो. If there is not availability of Between Us, so you can tell me. So I will be sharing the group next or tomorrow or the yesterday. So you can tell me that video is not available or not. Now next is the Panchayati Raj. You understood what is the Panchayati Raj? There are the 5 people are chosen from the government. It will be take care of the village. It will be think about the development, and it will be watch all the villages, the ruler of the villages, what they have to be do. Next thing, it will be the in the British time, due to the British ruler, that is a decline of the Panchayati Raj. But after the independence of the India, again in the 1993 Panchayati Raj will be developed again. पहले था before the British rule, but British rule will be declined that one, and in the 1993 it will be redeveloped again. So what is the work of the Panchayati Raj members? That will be look for the social, economic and cultural need of the village. Social, economical and cultural needs of the village. Now Panchayati Raj is 3-tier system. How it will be work? You can see that will be one image will be given. He is a sarpanch and other all the peoples from the village will be came here. So it will be the Panchayati Raj is divided into the 3 parts. First is the village panchayat at the bottom, that will be held on the village level. Second, Panchayat Samiti, that will be on the block level. And the last is the Jilla Parisad, that will be held on the district level. Means all the district convener will be combined all the villages, and then conversation, what is the what your village have issue, what is your village have issue. First, only village level, one village. Panchayat Samiti, 2 or 3 villages are combined, and they think about the development of the villages. And Jilla Parishad is the district level. Now, next thing you have to be remember compulsory, that is the National Panchayati Raj Day is the 24th April. 24th April is the Panchayati Raj Day. Okay, there is a one story of Chandasman Gram Panchayat is given to you. That will be sorry for this disturbance. there is a one village image is given. पहले village किस तरह से था, उसको किस तरह से बाद में develop किया गया. Chandasamand village is situated in the Karnal district, Haryana. What is the name of the district? That is Karnal in the Haryana. The management of wastewater was the major problem of the village. The Panchayat introduced the project named the 3-pond system to create a grey water. बहुत वेस्ट हो रहा था, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. उसको रीयूज करने के लिए there is a one system developed named the 3-pond system. There is an image of that is also given to pond 1, pond 2 and pond 3. इसको डिवाइड किया गया ताकि वेस्ट ना हो वाटर का और उसको रीयूज बार बार हम कर सके. This is only one history is given to you. Next is the importance of the Panchayati Raj. Before that, we have to first read before that we have to be first of all read what is the Panchayati Raj, then we will be go ahead. So now it's turn for the read. Yes.
What is the page number?
Page number 135. Okay, Yatharth, start reading.
The term panchayat literally
Literally.
literally means an assembly yet of 5 wise and respected elders chosen and accepted by the village community. Raj Panchayat is the system
Panchayati
of
Raj.
Panchayati Raj.
Read.
मैम पढ़ो आगे.
हाँ पढ़ो यहाँ से. Panchayati Raj is.
Panchayati Raj is the system of self-governance at the local level. The Panchayat
जिस तरह
system
से PMCA it will be came on the high level, that time Panchayati Raj is came on the local level for the villages. Yes, please.
The Panchayat system had declined during the British rule. However, later when India became independent and framed its constitution, it recognized the importance of this system. This system
Constitution means
again,
the organization, league. One meaning of that constitution is the league of own. Yes.
this system again came into effect of April 1993. A panchayat refers to a council of elected members
Elected
who
means
look
a selected members.
who look after the social, economic, and cultural needs of a village. Panchayati Raj is a three-tier system: village panchayat at the village level, the panchayat samiti at the block level, and the Zilla Parishad at the district level.
Next image is also here. Now it's time for the importance of the Panchayati Raj. As I told that what is the work of that, and one important thing you have to be remembered, 24th April is celebrated as the Panchayati Raj Divas. Okay.
And can I read?
Okay. Before the reading, I want to tell you something that what is the why Panchayati Raj is important, because it's demonstrates some of the principles. It talk about that, think about the development of the village. Secondly, most important thing, it developed the 33% reservation of the Panchayat post for the women. So this why Panchayati Raj is important. Yes, Yurjani, please start reading.
Panchayati Raj upholds the democratic principles of our country. People living in rural areas are
Rural
made
means of
aware,
villages.
are made aware of political, social, and technological issues.
जैसे कि हमने बोला कि विलेजेस में हमारी जो टेक्नोलॉजीज है नहीं होती है, दैट्स व्हाई वहाँ पे मेट्रो ट्रेन्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल. यस.
It empowers the woman as the constitution has made it obligatory to have 33% reservation of panchayat post for women.
परसेंटेज यू हैव टू बी कंपल्सरी रिमेंबर, क्योंकि एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज आर रिजर्वेशन ऑफ पंचायत पोस्ट फॉर द वुमेन. यस.
Women have taken charge of their official responsibilities in panchayats. People in rural areas feel responsible to participate in the country's administration.
Everyone can tell about every villages when we talk about the villages in the government. Now next is the village panchayat. What is the village panchayat? जिस तरह के हमने पंचायती राज देखा कि वो village level पे होता है, it will be look about the development. Same thing will be held on the village panchayat. But in that, all the peoples are considered, all the village peoples will be came for that. that what thing we have to do, what we have to do means for example कहीं पे किसी ने कुछ किया हो तो उसके लिए पूरा विलेज आएगा what we have to do with these people. Like that, there is a village panchayat is that will be depend on the whole village members. Okay, so who will be the next? Mm, okay, Malhar, please read.
Village panchayat. A village panchayat envisages government at the village level.
फ्रंट ऑफ विलेज लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से दिया हुआ दैट इज अ विलेज पंचायत.
It consists of elected representatives of the people. Seats are reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and women.
शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स एंड द वुमेन्स. ओके, जैसे कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट के लिए मैंने बोला फॉर द पंचायत राज देयर आर द 5 पीपल्स आर चूजन. फॉर द विलेज पंचायत देयर इज आल्सो पीपल आर सिलेक्टेड फॉर द शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट डिपेंड ऑन द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स and the women also. Tribes means you can say the Janjati in the form of the Hindi language. Okay, next.
The Sarpanch is the head elected for the elected representatives.
He is a head of all the peoples.
A panchayat at the village level consists of Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and
न्याय
Noyaya Panchayat.
न्याया नहीं बोलना उसको, हमें बोलना है न्याय पंचायत. So first panchayati raj that will be held on the district level, that is connected with the district level. But in the village panchayat there will be three panchayats will be held. First is the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and the Nyay Panchayat. From the next class, we will be learn one by one of them. What is the difference between them? There three will be held at the village level by the sarpanch, means the head of the village. But three of them are different. So in the next class, we will be learn about that. What is the difference between the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, and the Nyay Panchayat? So if you have a query, so you can ask me. Otherwise, we will be done.